Welcome to the Sustainability Podcast, where we explore the latest trends, innovations, and partnerships driving sustainable solutions across the globe. Today, we have an exciting lineup of stories that showcase the transformative power of collaboration in a variety of industries. Our stories all come from arcweb.com, where you can find in-depth versions for more detailed reading. In our first segment, Strategic Collaborations in Technology and AI. Let's start with some collaborations that are pushing the boundaries of innovation. First, SkyGrid and NASA have announced a partnership to advance emerging aviation operations with autonomous systems. This collaboration integrates services, functions, and capabilities essential for the operations of advanced air mobility AAM aircraft. The initiative includes integrating SkyGrid's traffic surveillance software to support distributed, cooperative airspace management systems and specific use cases to enhance transportation effectiveness. The partnership aims to develop new standards and procedures to ensure the safe operation of autonomous aircraft systems. By leveraging NASA's extensive research and SkyGrid's technological advancements, the partnership should address challenges in urban air mobility, including life-saving parapublic services, efficient cargo delivery, as well as the leveraging of existing and novel surveillance data. This collaboration underscores the commitment to improving airspace safety and access by both NASA and SkyGrid. Lummus Technology and Ferroman have established a partnership to deliver decarbonization and digital solutions for process furnaces and equipment. This agreement aims to accelerate digitalization and foster a sustainable future by combining technology and domain knowledge. Lummus Digital, a joint venture between Lummus Technology and TCG Digital, provides performance monitoring, system optimization, and other enterprise-level services. The partnership focuses on enhancing operational efficiency and sustainability in the steel and process industries. This collaboration also focuses on developing high-performance static process equipment. These joint efforts drive the adoption of innovative technologies to reduce carbon footprints and improve energy efficiency. It aligns well with global sustainability goals and demonstrates a commitment to advancing environmental stewardship in these industrial process industries. Gathr Data has partnered with Pinecone to accelerate the adoption of generative AI. This collaboration leverages Gathr's data processing capabilities and Pinecone's vector search technology to enable scalable and customized AI applications. The partnership aims to simplify the implementation of retrieval augmented generation RAG use cases and optimize AI workflows. The integration offers an end-to-end solution for AI application development, enhancing the performance and relevance of AI models. By providing seamless data ingestion and real-time updates, the partnership ensures that AI models operate with the most current and relevant data. This collaboration also enhances the development of advanced AI-powered chatbots and other applications. It represents a big step forward in empowering organizations to building innovative AI applications with ease and efficiency. Lastly, in this segment, SAP has unveiled generative AI innovations and partnerships with leading technology companies like Google Cloud, Meta, Microsoft, Mistral AI, and NVIDIA. These partnerships aim to infuse AI across SAP's entire enterprise solutions, enhancing business processes and decision-making. SAP's AI Copilot, known as Joule, is expanding throughout the company's solution portfolio, providing advanced automation and insights. The collaborations highlight SAP's commitment to responsible AI development and sustainable business practices. By integrating AI with SAP's business technology platform, users can access rich insights and deliver better outcomes. SAP is also adopting the UNESCO recommendation on the ethics of artificial intelligence to ensure ethical AI use. All of these efforts underscore SAP's dedication to driving innovation while maintaining a strong focus on sustainability and human rights. Our next segment, let's turn to the latest advancements in renewable energy and sustainability. Entergy and NextEra Energy Resources have announced a joint development agreement to accelerate the development of up to 4.5 gigawatts of new solar generation and energy storage projects. This 5-year agreement represents significant progress towards expanding Entergy's renewable energy portfolio. The collaboration aims to facilitate the construction of new solar and energy storage projects, supporting the transition to a more sustainable energy future. By leveraging NextEra's expertise in renewable energy and Entergy's strong market presence, the partnership is poised to enhance the adoption of clean energy solutions. It's part of Entergy's broader strategy to reduce carbon emissions and to promote environmental stewardship. The projects under this agreement will provide reliable, affordable, and sustainable energy to communities. The collaboration marks a major milestone in their journey towards a greener energy landscape. Next up, Yokogawa Electric Corporation has acquired BaxEnergy, a leading provider of renewable energy management solutions. This acquisition enhances Yokogawa's capabilities in managing renewable power generation facilities, including wind, solar, hydro, and geothermal. BaxEnergy's solutions integrate data from various power generation equipment to improve efficiency and plant availability. The acquisition aligns with Yokogawa's commitment to supporting the global energy transition and sustainability efforts. By incorporating BaxEnergy's technologies, Yokogawa aims to optimize the performance of renewable energy assets and extend their operational life. These integrated solutions provide real-time monitoring and advanced analytics to maximize energy production. This acquisition demonstrates Yokogawa's strategic focus on expanding its renewable energy portfolio. Next up, Lotus Infrastructure Partners has completed the acquisition of P&E USA, a developer of utility-scale wind, solar, and energy projects. P&E USA, now operating as Allium Renewable Energy, has a development pipeline of over 3 gigawatts of capacity. The acquisition strengthens Lotus Infrastructure Partners' position in the renewable energy sector and underscores its commitment to sustainable energy solutions. The acquisition enables Lotus to leverage P&E's expertise and extensive project portfolio to accelerate the deployment of clean energy projects. This strategic move aligns with Lotus Partners' goal of expanding its renewable energy footprint. The combined capabilities will drive innovation and efficiency in developing large-scale renewable energy projects. Next up, a next-generation facility in Virginia is using AI to maximize landfill diversion and enable the production of saleable commodities. This facility, operated by Recycling and Disposal Solutions of Virginia, features an AMP Robotics AI-powered sortation system that processes 150 tons of municipal solid waste per day. The technology separates mixed recyclables and organic material, diverting more than 60% of landfill-bound material. This initiative demonstrates the potential of AI to enhance recycling and waste management. By optimizing the sorting process, the facility reduces environmental impact and extends landfill life. This AI-powered system has been operating with over 90% uptime, ensuring high efficiency and reliability. It highlights the role of advanced technologies in promoting sustainability and resource recovery in the waste management domain. Nota AI and Advantech have signed a strategic memorandum of understanding, an MOU, to pioneer on-device generative AI solutions. This collaboration aims to integrate Nota AI's efficient AI technology with Advantech's edge computing platforms. The partnership will focus on developing innovative Gen AI solutions that can be deployed across various industries, enhancing operational efficiency and enabling new business models. The integration leverages Advantech's robust hardware and Nota AI's advanced algorithms to deliver powerful on-device AI. It highlights the growing importance of edge AI in driving digital transformation. By bringing an AI processing closer to the data source, these solutions all offer improved performance, lower latency, and enhanced security. And on to our next segment, innovations in industrial and wireless technology. Flex has strengthened its reverse logistics and circular economy services with the acquisition of FreeFlow. FreeFlow's digital marketplace platform enables customers to sell surplus and returned inventory, enhancing Flex's product lifecycle services. The acquisition expands Flex's capabilities in sustainability analytics, repair, refurbishment, asset recovery, and recycling. The collaboration aims to accelerate the adoption of sustainable solutions across a variety of markets. By integrating FreeFlow's technology, Flex can now provide comprehensive reverse logistics services to its clients. This aligns with Flex's commitment to promoting circular economy practices and reducing environmental impact. Valens Semiconductor has acquired Acroname, expanding its USB offering for the industrial and machine vision markets. Acroname specializes in advanced automation and control technologies, providing high-end programmable USB hubs, switches, and test automation systems. The acquisition enhances Valens' position in the market by combining its USB extension chipsets with Acroname's technology. Thus, this integration offers a holistic approach for USB peripherals, improving the efficiency and innovation of industrial applications. This acquisition underscores Valens' deep commitment to driving technological advancements in the industrial sector. Mitsubishi Electric, their ME Innovation Fund, has invested in Penti Networks, a private wireless network orchestration and management software company. Penti's HyperCore cloud platform democratizes wireless connectivity by transforming complex telecom solutions into fast, affordable IT services. The investment aims to drive the growth of private 5G networks and infrastructure as a service across various industries. By offering private wireless network solutions, Penti supports social infrastructure by closing the digital divide. The platform is designed as a no-code solution, enabling quick and easy setup of private networks. It aligns with Mitsubishi Electric's focus on fostering innovation and digital transformation. This partnership should enhance the deployment of advanced wireless technologies in a broad and very diverse range of industrial sectors. Aviva has announced a strategic collaboration with Amazon Web Services to drive sustainable industrial transformation. This collaboration aims to enable cloud delivery of Aviva applications as integrated, out-of-the-box software-as-a-service solutions. The partnership focuses on solving interoperability challenges and reducing data management complexity for industrial customers. By leveraging AWS's cloud infrastructure, Aviva will provide scalable and flexible solutions to its clients. The collaboration also enhances the adoption of digital twins and other advanced technologies in industrial applications. It supports Aviva's commitment to promoting sustainability and innovation across industrial sectors. The solutions will drive faster performance and improve operational efficiency for industrial customers. That's all for today's episode of the Sustainability Podcast. Each of these stories highlights the transformative impact of innovative technology solutions and strategic partnerships in driving sustainability across a variety of sectors. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more insights and updates on the latest trends in technology and sustainability. And of course, longer versions of these news items can be found at arcweb.com. Thank you for joining us today.